Isla, today I'm the luckiest man in the world to be taking your hand in marriage. I'm so happy to spend the remainder of my days by your side.
So many days and nights I've been searching for your heart.
You're so kind-hearted, caring, and infectious. You deserve the best husband. Being with you makes me want to be that husband.
Matthew, you are my best friend, my personal chef, my biggest supporter, and my greatest challenge. You are constantly pushing me to be a better person, and today we officially begin our life together.
I want to thank Isla for being my daughter and all the joy and happiness she's brought to Jennifer's life and to my life. I've watched her grow from a shy little girl to a determined and accomplished woman. And then there's Matt. No, seriously, as proud of it we are of Isla, we're equally proud of Matt and welcome him to our family.
As Isla's friends and family, I think we could all agree the best way to sum up Isla is fun-loving. It has been this fun-loving nature that I've seen with her share with Matt over the last 6 years. I know that's brought them here today. Matt, you're a friend that has always been more like a brother to me. And in saying that, I'd be welcoming Isla as a sister today, but really, she's always been like family too.
Matt, I have enjoyed getting to know you the past couple of years while we've watched sporting events and Sports Center, even if Isla has ditched us. You and Isla complete one another, and I wish you both a long life of love and happiness together. So let's raise our glasses and toast Isla and Matt. Cheers!
I will be appreciative and grateful. I will make sure that you are loved and cooked for. I will be your person to happy dance with and your shoulder to cry on. I'm so excited to embark on this journey with you. I love you, always.
I promise to be supportive and to make our love and happiness a priority. But most of all, I promise to be a friend to you and to go by your side, wherever our journey takes us, always.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Mr. Wisgoda, you may now kiss the bride.
Several of you gave up a perfectly good 70-degree weekend elsewhere in the country to spend today in a massive snowstorm with us, and we're so glad and grateful that you're all here.